Looks like a lot of shoes here. And this wall is going to be painted white tonight.
That's right.
Huh?
Yes. So for my YouTube channel, I'm going to, when I go to film, I call this the confessional. So that would be the preface to all my videos. I'll sit here in front of this wall and talk about whatever the topic is. So we're going to move everything off of this wall, including the boxes and everything, and we're painting this whole wall glossy white.
Yes, this slat wall, 2 coats, right?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yep.
You know what? I was having withdrawals because I'm saying I have not seen you for 6 weeks. And you're saying you don't believe it's been 6 weeks.
I don't believe you. Oh, but I have been too. I know you've been so busy.
I know, and you.
Gosh.
It's probably been good so that you can kind of get your bearings and you've got your workshop all set up again. And
Pretty much.
And I've seen.
Don't show the workshop right now.
Okay, I won't show the workshop. I was going to just for a second, but you've got it full of shoes again.
I do. It's only temporary. Oh, it's going to be really great though. I love working in it. The workspace, the shelvings that we made, it was all fabulous. And I'm definitely I've been doing some research about this back wall, and I'm really excited about it. It's going to be nice.
And do you know what tonight is, by the way?
Monday 15th.
It's Monday night. You know what happens on Monday night? What every guy in probably the entire United States is doing tonight?
Not hanging out in a shoe store with a girl.
It's Monday night
Those foolish men.
football. And I'm here with you painting.
I could yell orders at you. Make you go there.
Yeah, okay, we'll do that.
Thanks,
Okay,
Joe.
well, in a few minutes, it'll be time to get busy. She's ready, folks, to put it on the wall. She's been waiting to do this for weeks, if not months.
So you said you're going to cut in up there.
I'm gonna cut in, so please don't get any on the black ceiling.
Okay, 'cause I don't have my paints.
She's using the sponge roller. I think she likes that. It's just on a mini roller, 4-inch, because this is 4-inch slat wall, and if you paint it horizontally like that, it paints better. And we're gonna put 2 coats on there, and I'll do all the cut in. But you know what? I don't really think this video is gonna be how to paint slat wall because we've already done that.
Yeah.
I'm gonna have to think of something else.
Okay, so what would it be?
Okay? Well, let's put our thinking cap on and we'll be right back.